as I arrive at the range on the morning of the second day of the 2-day course, I see the 3-day course students being briefed for the next exercise. So I think I'm going to ride onto the range and ride the box, because not too long ago they were doing this very same exercise and probably getting very frustrated. So I thought I'd show them how it's done. Ha ha ha. And as you can see, the coach is throwing things at me. I know he didn't really mind. But it was quite amusing. And here it is from the helmet cam view. You can see a bit better. There are all the bikes lined up and the students. And I ride around to get to the start point of the box, which is about here normally, but it's not marked with cones. So I ride in, and the coach is pretending to throw things at me. Round I go, round I go, and there we go. That would be normally the exit, but I just turn off here, right towards the coaches, where he's throwing water on me, and I say hello, and then leave.